Hey guys, thanks for stopping by Mother's Barbecue. We are doing another rub recipe. This time we're going to be doing a coffee rub, and we're going to be putting it on some nice big giant Dino short ribs. So let's get going. For this beef rub, we're going to start out with some kosher salt, some brown sugar, and some ground up coffee. This is just regular old coffee. You can use espresso. You know, I just have coffee in the house. Some paprika, some ancho chili powder, some garlic powder, onion powder, some ground cumin, and some cracked black pepper. Again, that's it. Nice and simple. All right, so what we got here is a nice 7-pound short rib, whole cut. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of olive oil. We're going to liberally coat with our coffee rub here. This rub is also excellent on beef brisket, even a steak rub. All right, we're gonna go ahead and let this hang out for, I don't know, 20-30 minutes while our Kamado Joe Classic gets warmed up. Okay, our Kamado Joe Classic is sitting at 250. Get these dino bones on. I got some hickory chunks in there with some mesquite lump charcoal. And we'll let this cruise probably like about 4 hours or so. All right, so here's our final product. Total cook time was it was 5 hours. Didn't touch it, didn't do anything, just let it go, and this is what we got. Internal temp got to about 198, and then I foiled it and just let it sit on the cutting board for about 30 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and slice into these monsters. So look at those Fred Flintstone monster dino bones. Nice and juicy. Look at that. I'm not sure if I can take a bite of this, but let's take a piece and taste it and see what we got. All right, these things are almost as big as my head. I was gonna try to be all civilized and use a fork and a knife, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and manhandle these things. So let's see what we got. Very tender. That coffee rub has some good heat to it from that ancho chili powder. Some good saltiness. You definitely get that coffee flavor, a little bit of it, not too much. You can kind of get it in the back end. These things are killer. Definitely a meal right here in itself. You guys have got to give that rub a try. Smoke up some dino bones yourself. Remember, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys in the next run. Thanks for watching.